Welcome to Lehez Tarot and Beyond. This is going to be a general reading for the Capricorn sign, and whatever messages come through may or may not resonate. So just keep what resonates and leave the rest. If you'd like a personal reading with me, you can get the details below in the description box. So let's see what was happening in the recent past of the Capricorns. You have a very good connection with somebody, it seems. In the recent past, you have a connection that makes you feel that you can be open and expressive, somebody that's extremely important to you. We will clarify these cards further. Let's see current energies. Currently, it's showing that you're trying to, you know, keep the balance, the harmony, and also being patient for something. Let's pull a card for the future energies. The future is quite stable. It shows a new beginning in stability and something that you've already been working on is going to, you know, become more strong. It's going to get a more stable foundation. Let's clarify the lovers in the past energies. It seems in the past there was a very beautiful connection that you had in which you felt yet you could express yourself that this is the person who understands you the most, that kind of a soulmate kind of an energy, and you were also looking for a new beginning with this person which you thought would give you a lot of happiness and would bring a good change in your life as well. But somewhere it also showing that something in you was not very clear as well. It was like you also at the same time had this doubt that will this connection even work out, even if you had such amazing feelings towards this person. You also had this doubt that it's going to be a very challenging journey, a very challenging beginning. Let me pull more clarity on this. Ace of Swords. Yes, and that unclarity was coming from a past connection, something that happened in your past connection which gave you a lot of anxiety, a lot of confusion. So that brought unclarity in you that should you even put effort in this connection. You can see the potential in this connection. It's not like you can't see the potential, you can see the potential, but you are scared of putting in the efforts in this connection with the fear of what happened in the past with you. Okay, let's clarify the temperance in the current energies. Currently, the same pain from the past is being carried on into the current energies as well. You know, the pain. There is pain within you that comes from a past connection, which somewhere you're projecting onto your current connection. The pain of disappointment that you felt in the past. And that same disappointment is not letting you see that this connection currently which you have with somebody has a lot of potential in it, has a lot of good energy which could actually bring you that, you know, fulfilling life which you have been looking for and which you were most likely looking for in that past connection also. But some connections don't work out, and that helps us grow in life. But it's also very important that we work on the wounds that we get from a past connection so that we don't end up, you know, rejecting the beautiful new things that the universe brings in our lives. Most of us many times tend to reject new things, new connections, new opportunities in life because of past pains. And that keeps us stuck in life, that keeps us in pain. And the whole purpose of life, and living life is to learn and keep growing and moving further. You know, don't stay in pain. It's being very hard for you to, bring in that balance because you had so much of pain, and because of that pain, you are rejecting what the universe is offering you. And it's this beautiful connection. It's a beautiful connection that I can see over here. Try and come out of that pain, see the brighter side, and just give it a chance. Nobody knows what the future holds, but what presently you have is a beautiful connection. So just live that beautiful connection. Let's see the future energies, the Ace of Pentacles. Is there the Ace of Pentacles? Yes, the guidance, it's more like a guidance that's coming through, that you have to, like I just mentioned, that you have to try and, change that perspective. The pain has, the pain from the past has turned into anger of, nothing ever working out for you. You put in so much efforts into a connection and it never works out for you. And you're like asking, why does this happen always? It's happening because you have this sense of pain within you, which doesn't let you completely open up in a connection. You know, be your authentic self. Don't have this fear of, what if I get hurt again? It's okay if you get hurt again, you will recover. Every hurt, every pain in life that we get leads us to what, is actually meant for us. What actually the universe has planned for us is how we get to it, by getting certain amounts of hurt and wounds, because that is what is growing us as a person. So it's very important to, take all those wounds and those hurts and the rejection that we get in life as a lesson, as something that improves us, not as something that pulls us back in life, because that's not the purpose of the universe. They're never trying to pull us back. All they want is us to be truly happy and content. In the future, there are energies showing that you you are again going to get that feeling that you're putting in the effort, and but it's not coming back in the same way, and you're going to feel anger because of that. Try and change your perspective towards things. That fear of getting hurt is going to make you much more, like a hyper vigilant person. If your partner goes into a silent mode, or if they want space for some time, you're going to take it like they're upset with you. That's not the case. They might just generally be people who, function better when they have some alone time, when they have some me time. It's not about you at that point in time, it's about them. So I support them through it. It's not always personal. A connection has two people in it. So try and open up your perspective towards that, and everything else seems good. But it is something that you're carrying on from your past connection, and you're carrying on this pain into this connection, and it's causing you pain as well. So why do you want to cause yourself pain? One side, you're trying to protect yourself from pain, and not giving this connection a full chance, and on the other side, you're staying in the pain of, you know, what if I get hurt? Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but you will never know till the time you don't give it a chance. But it's a connection where you really feel free and open, and like this is the only person who understands you. Those are the feelings you have towards this person. And that's something you shouldn't lose while you have it. Live life every day, live every present moment. Don't waste it thinking of the future. Let's see what the overall guidance is, the message from the universe. Yes, the guidance is coming to go inwards, to heal on that pain, and it's going to be, um, you're going to have to, kind of trick yourself into it. Don't do it very openly. Go inwards, start with doing things that you like. Take little steps in this connection to open up, to express yourself more, to put yourself into the connection like you would into a connection that, is that about which you're very clear in your head that yes, I want this. So take very slow steps towards your healing, and it's going to give you big progress. Don't think too much about the future, that if I'm going to because it's pain within coming in you from the past, and it's causing you more fear and anxiety when you think about the future. So don't think about the future. Just think about the present and how you can make it better. So how is it that you can make it better with the pain that you have within you? Just take small steps. Small steps towards healing yourself, small steps to changing that perspective of yours, small steps into putting in efforts to heal yourself and the connection in the process. Explore this connection. Don't just leave it um, just like this because of your pain. Explore it further, but explore it with very small steps, and you're going to get great progress. So those are all the messages coming through for Capricorns right now, and see you in the next video.